Cartoon Bell.
Let's go see who's playing today. In the jungle, forest, and by the bay. Big and small, come take a peek. Our animal friends are fun and unique. The elephant stomps with a mighty sound, while monkey swings and jumps around. One has a trunk, the other climbs trees. Both are happy and love the breeze. Yawns with a mighty roar. The zebra trots on grassy floor. One wears stripes, one wears a mane. They play together on the golden plain. The giraffe is tall with a neck so high. The clever fox has a watchful eye. One eats leaves from the treetop tall. The other hides and sneaks past all. The tiger walks with stripes so bold. The gentle deer is shy, not cold. They share the forest, calm and bright, in morning sun or soft moonlight. By the river, the crocodile grins, while kangaroo jumps and spins. One splashes water, one hops with grace. Both have smiles on their face.
Subscribe to my channel.